In this video, I am going to show you how to get Spotify Premium for free in 1 minute. So let's get started right now. If you follow the steps, you will get Premium just like the way I did and my friends for 3 months for free. So you don't pay anything for 3 months, okay? So what you want to do, guys, to get Spotify Premium for free, all you have to do is open your browser. For example, I'm going to open Safari, and here you want to type in Spotify Premium for free. Just type here Spotify Premium for free, and after that click get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. As you can see here, just click anything that's written in that says get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free. So it doesn't matter what country you are in, this works on all countries. So you just want to click get 3 months Spotify Premium for free, and after that you want to click start free trial. As you can see here in the green, it's green, just click start free trial here, and you wanna click at the very bottom sign up for Spotify, as you can see here, guys. And after that you want to type in all your information, your email and your email again. Just confirm the email and then create a password and then enter a profile name, so and then your birthday and your gender, and then click share, and then click I am not a robot. But when you click sign in, when you click sign in, it's green at the very bottom. Spotify is going to ask you for your PayPal account. The way I did it and my friends, I just typed a random PayPal account. It's not my PayPal account, and now I got 3 months premium for free. So that's exactly what I did. But if you have a PayPal account, just add your PayPal account. Doesn't matter, just add your email and then boom, now you have Spotify Premium. Just keep in mind that you don't have to pay for anything, so they are not going to charge you anything until after 3 months, and then you can cancel before 3 months ends. You can just cancel and then it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. I hope this video helped you. Please drop a like if this video helped you.